Today I got this. It's a CCTV camera from company called AbeTap. It's a wireless CCTV camera and currently you can get this in the US for $80 on Amazon. Which, to be honest, is not that high price. Specifically, if you consider the features it has. I will give the Amazon link in the description box of this camera if you want to buy. And today we are going to review this. I am going to fix this camera in my patio and we will review the video quality of footage and check out all the features this camera has. Let's begin. In the past 2 years, I used 3 different CCTV cameras, 2 wired and 1 wireless. So I have some idea about what to expect from CCTV camera. Right now I am using Simply Safe camera, which comes with monthly subscription. But this one here does not need monthly subscription. So if I am satisfied with this CCTV, I will cancel my subscription with Simply Safe and save $30 per month. Anyway, in the box, first we have the camera. It has these huge antennas. So it can be way outside your house but still catch the Wi-Fi signal. Now one thing to remember is this works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and not the 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Just remember when you set it up in the app. Then we have the mounting bracket, some screws to mount it on the wall, user manual, then this sticker. This comes very handy when you drill initial holes in the wall before you mount this bracket. A pin to push the reset button in the camera, it is somewhere over here, and finally USB charging cable. This camera has an inbuilt battery which you can charge using this USB cable by plugging it in over here. So when battery is drained out, this mounting bracket will stay in the wall, but you just have to dismount the camera from this mounting bracket. That can be done by removing this just one screw and then bring the camera in, recharge it and again put it back. Once fully charged, the battery should last for about 3 months, but it depends on how many times CCTV get triggered and record something. On my patio there is not much traffic, so I'm hoping it will last longer. Then here is the main camera. I love peeling things off. Here is the main camera and this is the motion sensor. There are 2 LED lights. Due to these LED lights, you can even get a color footage at night. And there is a speaker over here. As you can see, the camera can rotate in all directions and you get a full 360 degrees of a coverage. And you can control this movement using your phone from anywhere. Then on the bottom of this camera, there is a power button, one small hole to reset the camera using this pin, and a slot for memory card. Memory card is not included with the camera, so you have to buy it separately. I have few memory cards with me, so I will put one inside. It can support up to 128 GB of memory card, which is plenty of space. So whenever you want to see old videos, you can watch them either using your app or you can just take out this memory card and put it in your laptop. This CCTV is IP65 certified, so it should withstand any kind of weather, which means it is perfect for outside. Now let me charge this camera first and then we will connect it to phone. Once it's on, it will rotate in all directions like this. And to set it up for first time, you have to download Vico Home app. It is mentioned in the manual and you can just scan this QR code to download that app. I know it is a little bit confusing. The name of app is not AbeTap, but the camera is from AbeTap and the app name is Vico Home. Then install the app and complete the registration. They will send a verification code on your email, provide the code and you are in. Then just say add device and app will tell you the next steps. And it is connected.
Wi-Fi connected.
And you can see the live feed from here, from this camera. You can do all kinds of things from your phone now. Let me try to move it. It's moving. Ooh. Hey, look at me. You can even zoom in. Of course, it's a digital zoom, but still. Now it says battery is charged, Wi-Fi is connected, so we are good to go. Now let's mount this outside and check how good the motion detection works and what's the quality of footage. I already have one CCTV camera, which is wired one. So I'm going to take that down and we will put new AbeTap CCTV over there. Safety first. I'm just taking out the memory card and then maybe we will just toss this camera in trash. 32 GB and this camera, bye bye. Perfect. I'm going to go in the field of view now. And voila! I immediately got a notification on my phone from CCTV. Then we can open the app and check the recording. And yes, it's there. Some other cool features are customized zone. That means you can select in which area you want motion detection. In this view, many people will go from here, which doesn't really bother me. So I can tell the camera to record the video only if there is a motion in the lower frame. This saves the battery and also space on the memory card. Then another feature is AI recognition. The camera can identify if it's people or pet or car or package which triggered the motion. AI is everywhere these days, so why not CCTV, right? And if we check the video quality, it's just ridiculous. I'm sorry to say, but yeah, it's not very good. As you can see, resolution doesn't even feel HD. Only in good sunlight you can see a better quality video, and even then dynamic range is very bad. In sunlight it's okay at least, but when you see the low light performance, it's too bad. Feels like some ghost is walking over here. Just to compare, this is the footage from Simply Safe wireless CCTV camera. Even at night quality is much better. You can even see this cat moving around. But with the Ape Tap CCTV, if cat moves around at night, it doesn't even trigger. Which is okay, I don't mind that. But yeah, quality should have been better. But if we think a little bit about price, then I think this video quality is acceptable. We are paying just $80, but this Simply Safe is I think around $220. So although video quality is not great, I would say for this price point, it is acceptable. So the final verdict, considering its price, it's really nice wireless CCTV camera with some cool features. And if you want to get one, check the link in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's all for today, and I will see you in the next one.